Most people agree that the government needs to rein in spending, especially in this declining economy. One of the unfortunate side effects is less money for programs of all kinds, making a community's nonprofit organizations all the more vital. Civic organizations often rely heavily on what's known as small games of chance to raise money that they use for their charitable endeavors. The law affecting these games has now been updated, allowing for bigger prize payouts. The older, smaller limits did not keep pace with their popularity, leading to fines or even the loss of a license.
It's very important because of the fact that they contribute a fair amount of money to organizations such as sponsoring a Boy Scout troop or else making contributions, charitable contributions. So it is important that we allow the limits to be raised. They have not been raised in a long time. But equally as important is in this bill, we have some provisions where we're going to do some good audits and make sure that the clubs are complying with the law. So that addition is welcome also.
The new law also allows the organizations to use 30% of the money to cover much-needed operating costs instead of having to devote 100% to their community efforts.
I belong to a volunteer fire company in Adams County. And part of our revenue is from our small games of chance, and this will help us, A, stay in compliance with the law, and B, help us to use that money more to fit the operations of our fire department.
The new law is an example of compromising on smaller issues in order to achieve a larger goal.
I do have a couple of issues with the bill. When it left the House, I had an amendment in it for vertical wheels, the big 6 wheels that the fire companies like to use at their carnivals to make them legal. The Senate took that out. I am sorry to say that to my volunteer fire companies. We tried. We will try again in another bill at a later time. And we also we're not able to help our small business owners, our taverns, by getting them included. So there's no expansion in this bill whatsoever. I understand that. I don't like it, but I need to live with it and vote for this, voted for 169 just to get this done.
These games are very important to my district, and I am just so thrilled we were able to get this done.